So for people that don't know, this is hydraulic, this is an impact, but I have a disease called misophonia, which is the hatred of sound. So I hate the sound of that drill, but I love the power of it. But this one is very, very quiet. Hands down, number 5, top impact.
I've now become a little worried because Matt says he has a hatred of sound, and a lot of people say I'm kind of over the top and loud. So
You're fine.
oh, well, thank you.
It's unique sounds. So like an impact or people chewing or anything unique. Anyways, we're getting off topic.